Welcome back to Daylight Grief's Mindful Mondays. My name is Christy, and I'll be walking you through this exercise. This week we're at week 30, where we focus on mindfulness in nature, grounding with your surroundings. So today's practice will focus on mindfulness in nature, but instead of closing your eyes and imagining, we'll work with what's around you right now. Whether you're inside or outside, we'll practice noticing the natural world that is already present. Even a small detail, like a plant, a glimpse of the sky through the window, or the sound of a bird, can be a powerful anchor. When we're grieving, our minds can feel heavy, stuck in the past, or lost in what-ifs. Nature invites us back to the present moment. It shows us cycles of change, resilience, and quiet beauty. Today's practice will help you tune into that connection right where you are. Let's begin. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently exhale. Let your shoulders relax and your eyes to soften as you look around your surroundings. Wherever you are, notice one piece of nature that you can see. It might be a tree outside your window, a house plant, the sky, or even sunlight casting shadows in the room. Simply rest your gaze there. As you look, allow yourself to notice details. What colors do you see? What textures stand out? Perhaps the roughness of bark, the delicate veins of a leaf, or the shifting light of the sky. Now take another slow breath in, and as you exhale, imagine that your breath is connecting you with what you're seeing. With each inhale, draw in the calm, steady presence of nature. With each exhale, let go of some of the heaviness you may be holding. Take a few rounds of breath to practice. If your surroundings are quiet, tune into sounds of nature nearby. Maybe you hear wind, rain, or birds outside. If not, notice the quiet itself as part of nature's presence. Take a moment to reflect. How does it feel to know that no matter what is happening within you, nature continues its rhythm around you? The leaves still grow, the seasons still shift, the sun still rises. This steady rhythm can offer comfort when grief feels unpredictable. Stay here for a few more breaths. With each inhale, let the presence of nature steady you. With each exhale, allow your body to release just a little more tension. As we close, gently take one more slow breath in and out. Notice again the piece of nature you focused on. Hold it in your awareness for just a moment as a reminder of connection and grounding. Whenever waves of grief feel overwhelming, you can pause and return to this simple practice. Notice something natural in your environment, breathe with it, and let it anchor you in the present. Nature doesn't ask us to be anything other than what we are. It simply reminds us that we are part of something bigger, something that keeps moving forward. Take this with you as you continue your week, knowing that even the smallest glimpse of nature can bring a sense of calm and support. Until next week.